Been off my ass, I got the racks up in. She wanna do pairs for the Louis showing fashion shit. Who decides one on my body straight off the runway? My vegan bitch, she a pacifist. How many horses inside this car hit the gas? They don't know what traction is. The same way we spinning, you niggas that be on Twitter, you niggas don't know what action is.
Bro, hold my click real quick.
G40 the clip or no commercial, I'm probably hated by activists. Paparazzi, leave it to you to judge all my practices. If this shit was yours, you wouldn't know what to do with half of it. I'm young, I'm trying to manage it. They don't know that it's challenging, no. But would I look like panicking?
Man, here we go, man. So, yeah, we about to hang out with a friend of mine. Gotta go pick up a few things from Walmart, so yeah.
You got like any like ointments or creams? Like where do I find that at?
Like cookies?
Oh, ointments or creams.
Oh, sorry.
I got like dog herpes. You ain't never had like dog herpes? No, nothing. You never like. What got? Oh, that boy got Spider-Man reflexes. You seen that? Yeah. Yeah, that boy Spider-Man. You seen that?
Oh, yeah. Dang, dang. That nigga brought McDonald's. That nigga's wild. Yo, is you Chris? Go ahead, nigga.
Oh, man, we in Clayton with it, man. You know what's
Yeah.
going on.
What you do for a living?
I'm trying to blow up this rap shit.
selling girls.
You selling what? You sell what?
I drink it.
Where do you get your drip from? Where does this come from?
You really recording my shit.
Where do you get your drip from? We're not done. We're on your ass. Where do you get?
Fuck you in that camera.
Hey, look. Me and him gonna try to find some baddies, and we gonna pull. All right. Yeah, that was not happening. But he say he gonna whoop us in bowling. Watch how I whoop his ass in bowling.
Okay, cool. I'm fucking with the
Look, they done gave this nigga the J's of bowling shoes. I swear to God, bro. What the? Come on, Reginald. Terrible. Absolute garbage.
I'll see you about to lock it up.
All right, bet. Go. What you think?
It's okay, man.
It's
It's better than him, so I mean. You gonna get one? I did get one. You believe I can cook yet? What do you mean?
No, Chris, that ass have 0 points though.
Okay, though.
What the?
Get back to the 14.
You're not making it. You better not go to again. That's wild.
Let's see it. Let's see what he gonna do with it. Yeah. Gutter ball, bitch. Yeah.
Yeah. That's all I'm gonna say. Yo, he subs, bro.
No, that's never gonna happen again. Hurry up a gutter already.
Oh my! You went, but the thing was down.
Oh, man, gutter. That's crazy.
No, he just hit the barrier. Look what you did.
I know.
Why'd you do that? Hey, why he do that?
You don't got 27 points. I got 65.
Why'd you assume? Oh, he said run it back. Yo, bro, what the hell? Oh my. Yeah. It's Raps. He won. It's Raps.
Man, this man can't beat me.
He can't beat
He's
you.
all top.
Bro got spanked in that too.
Damn, bro.
Watch how I whoop him. Oh, what the? Oh. I'm moving. Get him out of here. He's nowhere near me. I'm out of here. Oh yeah, baby. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah. Y'all see how I'm whooping him? Oh yeah. There we go. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Damn, I ain't gonna lie. I want that bite, bro.
Oh my God, that boy's struggling. Bro, you're struggling? Yo.
Ew. Dick hurt now, bro.
What?
What?
I'm getting my snuggy wuggy duggies.
Yeah, man.
This nigga's dick ain't even hard anymore. I mean,
man.
what the hell? This nigga horny as hell.
That's
Get
me.
it, horny?
That's me
Horn?
always.
Horn? Horn?
Hold on, let me jump. So I'm over here buying the 65
Okay.
inch 4K
Yeah.
Ultra HD Smart TV.
Yeah.
It may be a little out of my price range, but I don't care.
Yeah.
I'm still gonna buy it.
Okay.
You know?
Mr. Beast, okay. I got a piss too, I'm not even gonna lie. That Gatorade went straight through me.
Oh, yeah.
You're not rich. You're not rich. Relax. What he do?
They're like going there.
What? Oh, he's about to go in there? You're stupid. Pull your pants up before I pull them up for you, cuz.
Who?
You.
You fucking fat, bro. You fucking fat, bitch.
This nigga, he's going down.
Oh! Where'd he go? I bet he around that corner. Oh, he really.
Hell no, bro.
You like the new Rick Owens? Like that?
Oh, man. Hey.
Yo! He said he need help. Look, you never had a book like this?
That bitch ass boy.
What?
You like point your pants down and put your dick on this, like it feel good.
We're on a co-op mission. Bro, yeah, you got to film.
Yeah, man.
What the? What are you filming?
Exactly. You feel your crusty lips.
Mario, get his ass, nigga. What the fuck?
That's why you built like a stick.
What the? Bro, if you don't roast this nigga's ass.
Bro, we can't even lie, bro. It's Mario's fault, bro.
Yeah. Yo, if y'all don't know, Mario sold a bag on a baddie. Tell him how you.
The bitch, you feel me? Was playing anyway.
She was playing.
How, bro? And she was right there.
No, like she was literally right there for him. They were texting and he wouldn't get out the car.
I'm finna go party and get fucked up anyway, so it don't even matter.
Mario let a bitch play his ass.
He let what?
He let a bitch play his ass. He just fuck that hoe. Man, fuck that hoe. Fuck that hoe. And I mean it. That's crazy, man. No, nigga, you could've got you some butt. Now, I don't give a fuck about getting butt from that bitch, bro. Man, you can't even talk to her in person. Talk about getting butt. He wasn't even able to talk to her in person. I don't want her. I saw her. And she look, nah. You got ass taste of women, nah. Bro, I don't want to talk to that bitch.
I feel you.
Like, you see her?
I feel you.
She ain't doing shit for her life.
I'm not gonna lie. Everybody here is saying she was chopped, Mario. How you feel?
Like, for real, she's
How you feel?
ugly.
It don't
It don't matter.
Fuck, you feel me? It's
Yeah.
fuck her.
When I
You feel me?
first
I'm
saw her,
about
I
to
was
get
like,
this money.
Don't trust bitches.
Don't
DTB.
never trust bitches, bro.
DTB.
DTB.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me get my drink. Hold on, damn.
I'm about to low-key make that shit a clip, bro. Don't trust
Bro, so what's going on, Ranch?
This boy over here
I don't give a fuck.
can't even talk to a girl in
Cause as soon
person.
as I get back to Selma, I'm finna go back to a party and goddamn talk my shit to a bitch. So fuck that.
Are you really though? Or are you gonna be scared like you was at the mall? Are you gonna be scared like you was at the mall?
For real, I was the only person that talking to a girl. I may have got denied. I'm not gonna deny that, but still,
Hey, that was
I
the
got the
second
balls
time,
to
too.
do it. Yeah.
Yo. You mocking him? You mocking him because he's on your top? Man, roast him.
Shut up, fuck boy.
Boy, can't even get a girl.
I don't give a fuck. I don't want that bitch. I done told you that shit.
Fuck is wrong
Then
with
why
this
you
man?
talking to
Nigga,
her?
you still on my dick about that shit, bro.
You brought it up.
Nigga, you said, nigga, you the one that said.
Man. All right, guys. Let me get up out that bed. Sorry about that hair, man. I'm finna get a haircut soon. Don't even worry about it. I know I look chopped right now. That was just me hanging out with my boys and my cousin. If you want to see more like that, go ahead, subscribe, like, and comment. I'm finna be doing more like this, just like hangouts, you know, what we do and whatnot. Cause I always told my friends, like, y'all are just funny as hell. Like they just say dumb stuff. They do dumb things. Like they cringy. Like y'all gonna see. So it's just funny. I'm gonna start recording it and making vlogs out of it. I also do trolling and stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all that too. I be trolling on some crazy trolling. Like y'all gonna see. But go ahead, subscribe, comment, and like if you want to see some more of this. I'm out. I don't even know what to say. I'm out, bro. I love you.
Talking about the no, she doing both, but it's cool. We don't know. Let's me with my thighs. And I'm talking girls.